Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove yourself from Meta Business Suite. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page and then you need to go into the Meta Business Suite. So once you are in Meta Business Suite, you simply need to go and click on settings. So here you can see people and here you can see yourself. Click on that, and how you can remove, you simply need to click on three dots and here you can see remove from business account. Click on that and here you click on remove. So once you click on that, you can remove yourself from Meta Business Suite. So this is the process by which you can remove yourself from Meta Business Suite. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.